This time on the Mopar Channel, it's part 2 of our ongoing coverage of the 6th Annual Holley MoParty 2025. In part 1, we brought you a parade of classic Mopars as they arrive for 3 days of pure Mopar Mayhem. Now, it's part 2 where we'll tour the grounds of the Beech Bend Raceway Park in Bowling Green, Kentucky to walk around and feature some of America's finest, most badass Mopar cars, trucks, and vans. I even run into a guy from Vice Grip Garage. Yeah, that's right. I met Derek and managed to make a complete ass of myself by engaging him in a ridiculously awkward conversation. Part 3 will be the drag racing edition. But this time, it's part 2, the Walkaround. And it all kicks off right here, right now. And it's only on the Mopar Channel.
It's a 1968 Barracuda. Originally a 383 4-speed car. I transplanted my first Hemi in it back in the early 90s. And then I got bored with that Hemi and I built another 572 cubic inch Hemi steel motor, and I got bored with that, and I built an aluminum 572 cubic inch motor. Now I got bored with that, and this year I transplanted the blower motor in it. Fun car to drive. It's the way it's set up right now is to run down the road a little bit and just cruise, but I can crank the boost up on it to 15 pounds of boost and 1,200 horse. Right now it's about 800 at the crank, 600 at the wheel, with 5 pounds of boost. So,
what is the paint?
it's 1968 Plymouth Matador Red, original red.
You don't happen to know the paint code for that?
PP1.
What's your name?
Rick Bell from Roscoe, Illinois.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey Derek. Hey Derek. Hey Derek. I wanted to meet you, man.
Oh,
big fan, dude.
Nice to meet you.
One of your millions.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Indiana.
Indiana.
Yep, I go to bed watching this shoot every night.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate that.
probably get like 5-6 views every video, just because I watch it till I fall asleep, and then I go when I go back to bed, I pick up where you started, and back to bed, I pick up where you started. And
Well, I do appreciate it. We couldn't do any of this stuff without you guys watching. So.
Yep. Well, we appreciate you, man.
Yeah.
Good dude. Nice to meet you, man.
Likewise.